Hey there, how are you? Phil Thompson from streamingchurch.tv. Today we're going to show you information about the chat entry options. This is how people will appear on your streamingchurch.tv video chat platform. Their chat, if they come in as a guest, a number, or a nickname, all that. So let's go over and show you how to do this. So over here, over on the left, click Design Branding. Scroll down to Chat Entry Settings. That's what we're going to talk about today. All right, so you've got several options here. You've got the Guest Auto Entry, Bypass Nickname Prompt. So when this is enabled, this option bypasses the nickname prompt. Guests will automatically enter the chat with some kind of a generic ID, something like, guest number 658 and guest number 912, whatever. And this is useful for high traffic events where you want to minimize friction for your viewers. So they can just come on in. They don't have to put in some kind of a name. The other thing here is called Require Guest Sign In. So if you were to unclick the guest entry deal here, guest auto entry, guests will be prompted to enter a nickname before they can view the stream. So this requires them to identify themselves with a name like Omar or Susan or something like that. Now, if you go to require guest email, you can go one step further and require an email address. And if you click on this option, guests must provide their email to access your live stream. Hope that makes sense. And the other one down here, do not announce new guests in chat. So this is really something that it's really helpful if you are, you're a large church and you have an event, you have a lot of viewers and all kind of coming in really fast. And, it's not going to overwhelm the feed. You can still see who is online by going to the Who's Online section of your platform, but this will make things a little easier. And then, of course, you've got the enable AI web host functionality. So this is something, it's a powerful feature that you can enable to automatically respond to everyone who participates in the chat through the use of AI. And of course, for more details on this, just simply click more info link here and you'll get more information. So this hopefully will help you understand the chat entry settings. If you have questions, please reach out to us. We would love to help you and answer any questions you have at streamingchurch.tv. I'm Phil Thompson. Have yourself a great day.